Want to know how to do this warp effect in Canva? Then be sure to watch till the end. First, pick your preferred photo, then go to apps and search for Liquify. This one. Make sure to click your photo. They have different options for you to choose from. They have this melt effect, which you can customize depending on your preference. Next is the wobble effect. Third one is smear. Next, smudge effect. And lastly, the flow effect. Once you're satisfied, click on save. And there you have it. Super easy. One thing that I noticed as well when using this effect is it really suits the pattern images, like this one. So want more Canva tips and hacks? Be sure to follow my page. See you in my next video. Bye!